Ever wondered how to recreate an image using AI in just 2 minutes? Stay tuned because I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step process to do it. Let's jump in. First, find an image or a scene you like, maybe from a random video on YouTube, and take a screenshot. Next, head over to AI Ace and use the Remove Object Image tool. Upload your screenshot, remove any text or any unwanted elements, and download the clean image. Now, head to ChatGPT. Ask it to create a detailed prompt for recreating the image in an anime style. Don't forget to attach the cleaned up image that we generated from the step before. Copy the generated prompt and paste it into Beclaim AI. Use the Bunny diffusion, V-style, V6 style, and set the image reference type to content-ref. Adjust the strength to the middle for the best balance. Hit generate, and in seconds, you will have a beautifully recreated image. How cool is that? Once you have the recreated image, ask ChatGPT for a detailed prompt to animate it. Copy the prompt, then head over to Minimax AI. Select the 12V image to video tab and paste the prompt. Boom! Your animated video is ready. There you have it, a stunning recreation and animation, all done in under 2 minutes. Thank you.